জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়
In which room should I keep these? I'll go right away. By the way, where is ma'am?
She's in Dripto's mom's room. The new guest Jasmine is going to stay there.
Don't let him marry that girl. My son will be harmed if he marries that girl.
No, this isn't possible. This isn't possible.
Oh no, I will have to. Hey, friend! Wait! Pick these up for me. Can't you see? Wait. Oh, friend!
What's this? The room isn't ready yet? Didn't I tell you? Remove the photo and the lamp and remove all the unnecessary things from here. Come on.
Jasmine? The room is being cleaned. It's not ready yet. Why don't you go to my room and relax? I will call you once the room is ready.
Mrs. Basu, I wanted to say something to you.
Go on.
Well, is it necessary to remove Dripto's mom's photo from this room?
You will stay in this room. His mom's photo will be there. How is that possible?
No, you don't understand. I think it's important for Dripto's mom's photo to be here.
Jasmine, I can't understand what exactly you want. You spoke downstairs as if you have come to speak against us. But now... Hey, listen. All of you go for now. It's not needed. I'll call you if needed. Okay?
Okay, madam.
Jasmine, will you explain to us what exactly you want to do? Because I can't understand what you're trying to do. I don't know why I get the feeling that you have come here to join Nayan's gang. I mean, you seem to have changed overnight. There is stark contrast in what we saw yesterday.
If it was that easy to judge me, then would you have given me the responsibility to remove Nayan from Dripto's life? Mrs. Basu, I think it's very important for Dripto's mom's photo to be here. Because Dripto will keep visiting this room to see his mother's photo, right? And Dripto won't even realize when he'll come to me while seeing his mother's photo. He'll have no idea about it.
Oh, Jasmine, you don't understand. I've always tried to keep Deepu away from his mother. His mother is a big threat to me. A big threat. If I could burn this photo, I would have got peace of mind. I haven't been able to make Deepu forget his mom despite all my efforts for so many years.
Absolutely. Sanjukta, do you remember at the breakfast table in the morning, he created such a scene about the feast, I can't forget the food cooked by mom and that taste and all that nonsense.
You are right.
Oof.
I felt like throwing the plate away. No, Jasmine, this photo can't be here. This photo just can't be here. No way.
Oh, Mrs. Basu, you're very stubborn and short-tempered.
What? What did you say?
Look. You reacted again. You should do something. Calm down first, Mrs. Basu. If you want to make someone forget something, you must do it lovingly. Not by getting angry. Okay, now let me take this photo from you. You hate this photo, right? I can see that very well. You will see how I entice Dripto using this photo. I just need some time. Okay? You'll see along with this photo. I will eliminate Nayan's existence also from Dripto's life. Now this photo will be in this room. And so will I.
No. This is Sir's mother's room. You can't stay here.
What? You are again interfering in our matter. Will you decide where she stays and where she doesn't? How dare you? Who gave you this right? You have no right to decide this. You've become too audacious, Nayan. Don't forget that I can throw you out of this house any moment. I can throw you out in no time.
Oh, this pencil-thin irritating girl will stay in Kalpana mother's room. Since my friend has objected, mother is scolding her. Wait, mother, I'll bring my army. Wait, you scolded my friend? I'll teach you a lesson now. Just wait.
No, ma'am. I didn't mean to say that. Who am I to decide where she will stay? I'm an ordinary housemaid over here. But this is mother's room, and a room is like a temple. So how can someone else stay here?
Temple? Really? Is this room a temple? Just because a lamp and incense sticks are burning here, it became a temple.
Keep quiet, Vicky. Listen to me clearly, Nayan. Whether you call it Lord or Mother to Deepu, I am everything. My decision is final. The one whose photo is kept here is dead. She's passed. She doesn't exist anymore.
No. She exists. She exists. She's here.
Look, Sanjukta, she's again talking like a crazy woman. Hey, what did you say? She is here, isn't it? Right? So, can you see her? I have an idea. Let's look for her. Come on. Behind the guitar, behind the lamp, behind the cup. No, she isn't here. Oh, she's right here. Where is she? Where? She isn't here. Ah, the photograph. Hello? Late Kalpana Basu, can you hear me? Hello? Hello? Sanjukta, can you hear or see anything? Jasmine, can you see anything? Can you see late Kalpana Basu? Nayan, can you see her? I can't see her. What will happen now? I can't see her.
Uncle, you're making fun. Don't make fun of mother.
Oh my, you got furious, Nayan. Did you get furious because I held the photograph?
That's better, Uncle. At least the chandelier didn't fall on me.
Vicky? Vicky, wait. Here, take it. Have water. Have water.
She's still mentioning the chandelier. Good Lord. Who knows when she will reveal everything to the family? What can be done? What should I do?
Beware! Beware! My team is here. Come in, Grandma.
What is this? It's true. Kalpana's photo is not in its place. What's going on, Sanjukta?
No one has been allowed to stay here in all these years. The room is exactly like Sister Kalpana left it. What happened today all of a sudden? Why are you letting Jasmine stay in this room?
If you want to make someone forget something, you should do it lovingly, not by getting angry.
Mom, I understand why all of you are reacting in this way. Everyone's emotions are attached to this room, right? But what do I do, Mom? Where do I let Jasmine stay? Vicky stays in the guest room. Then where will Vicky?
Sanjukta, I'll give up my room. Jasmine can stay there. I'll go home for a few days. Okay?
This is strange. What is going on? Uncle is so eager to give up his room.
No, uncle. You can't go anywhere. You have to stay here.
Huh?
What do you mean? What do you mean? Will you decide? When I'll go home, where I'll stay? When I won't go home? I'll go home today. I'll go home right now.
What's going on here? Huh? Uncle, what's the matter? Why are you repeatedly saying you'll go home? What's the matter?
Look, Deepu, there is no place for Jasmine to stay. I mean, there is no vacant room here. So I thought Jasmine could stay here in this room. But Nayan won't let her stay here. Fine, Jasmine will stay in the guest room. Vicky will go home then.
What?
Did he get angry with me again? Did he not understand why I don't want anyone else to stay in mother's room?
Nayan, why don't you want Jasmine to stay in this room? What's the problem if she stays here?
This is mother's room, sir. And to me, mother's room is like a temple. Mother stays here.
Nayan is absolutely correct, Dripto. This is mother's room. It's sacred as temple. This is the reason I wanted to stay in this room, so that I can get mother's blessings.
Can everyone stay in a temple? Please don't listen to her, Dripto. Please don't.
Who are you bowing to in the opposite direction of the photo, Nayan?
Mother. Your mother. Your mother, she was here in front of me. I was seeking her blessings.
But Nayan, I really can't find any logic to what you said. And I don't see any reason to follow you. Do you get it? A room is vacant, but no one can stay there. How is that possible? Of course it'll be occupied by someone.
What are you saying, Deepu? This is your mother's room. Will someone else stay here?
Yes, this is what I wanted. Thank Lord, Deepu didn't act stubborn. Deepu, listen, we give importance to everything you say. But Tapu isn't at home right now. In his absence, don't take such a decision, Deepu. Do you know what this room means to your father? If he sees all this, when he comes back, he might get furious. He will feel bad, Deepu. Please understand.
What are you asking him to understand, mother? I know very well how much this boy loves his mother since childhood.
Aunt, let's not discuss all that. I just don't want to talk about all this.
Why don't you want to talk about it? Tell me. How long will you hide your emotions, Deepu? What do you gain by pretending to be tough? Please tell me.
Pratima, why are you arguing? When Deepu has agreed, why argue over it? Deepu, should I keep Jasmine's things in this room then?
No.
Meaning?
Not Jasmine's belongings, Mom. My belongings will come to this room. I will leave my room for Jasmine, that's okay. And henceforth, I will stay in my mom's room.
Glory to Lotus. Glory to Lotus.
Wow, Dripto! What have you done? You surprised us like the climax of a Hindi film. Grandma, did you see that? Wow, Dripto, you're just great. You're just great.
Yeah.
I never imagined you'd take such a decision.
Rangana, is it necessary for you to talk about every matter?
Piku, why do you always scold Rangana? Deepu, I can't tell you how happy I am with the decision you've taken. I feel your decision will make Kalpana also happy. Her son will stay in her room. What could be better than this, Dripto? My plan is ruined. Oh, I can't bear this drama.
Oh, Dripto turned the table on us. No, I have to play more carefully.
you went away from me forever. If you don't mind staying away from me, then why should I feel hurt because of you?
Kalpana, your son is changing. That girl who stands in a corner out of fear, her courage is changing Deepu's heart. Wherever you are, just bless them.